Our main job here is to really excite the aftermarket and to really show them the small car capabilities that Toyota has. That's one of the most exciting things that's actually we've seen in the research come back, is that people are now actually buying the Corolla because it's fun to drive. And moving Corolla back into a fun to drive territory where our heritage has been is really, really exciting.
Companies like Toyota have an interest, a vested interest in seeing their cars succeed because the character of their car is such that personalization and performance and accessorization is not just something that should be seen as an afterthought, but as a core component of that product. And when we have a rich, flourishing aftermarket for parts and accessories, everybody benefits.